Modern replacement windows. South Houston TX create a stronger, cleaner look while improving comfort in houses across 77587. Homeowners searching for house window upgrades South Houston often want better curb appeal, lower energy loss, and easier maintenance, especially in older neighborhoods. With custom window replacement South Houston TX, properties can be updated with styles that match traditional homes, ranch homes, and newer construction. Many replacement windows for homes South Houston also include low-maintenance finishes, durable locks, and smoother operation for everyday living. Energy-efficient windows South Houston TX help reduce heat transfer in a climate where long summers and Gulf Coast humidity put constant pressure on cooling systems. Many families choose insulated window installation South Houston or high-efficiency window replacement South Houston to improve indoor comfort and manage utility bills throughout the year. Energy-saving windows in Greater South Houston TX are especially popular, where homeowners want dependable performance. Double pane window replacement. South Houston TX is a common solution for reducing drafts, noise, and excessive solar gain. Window contractors. South Houston TX provide the installation quality that determines how well new products perform after purchase. Even premium windows can underperform if measurements, sealing, flashing, and frame alignment are not handled correctly. Homeowners often search for a local window replacement company South Houston, a window installer near South Houston, or window contractors near Airport Boulevard South Houston TX when comparing service providers. The best window replacement service South Houston TX should offer accurate assessments, product guidance, and professional workmanship for everything from drafty window replacement South Houston to complete house window upgrades in South Houston. Residential window replacement near Spencer Highway. South Houston is in demand among homeowners updating aging properties with better insulation and a more modern appearance. Replacement windows near Houston Ship Channel, South Houston, are also frequently requested by those seeking cleaner indoor comfort and stronger barriers against outdoor conditions. New home windows often focus on balancing appearance, efficiency, and ventilation. Custom windows in South Houston Harris County TX can also be designed for unique openings, architectural styles, and individual homeowner preferences. Vinyl window replacement. South Houston remains one of the most requested solutions because it combines affordability, durability, and low upkeep. Many homeowners ask for vinyl window installers in South Houston, Texas, when replacing aging wood or aluminum units that no longer seal well. Vinyl replacement windows near Black Hawk Boulevard and throughout are often chosen for their resistance to moisture, peeling, and frequent repainting. For homes needing modern function and simple care, vinyl frames work well in a wide range of designs, including double-hung, slider, picture, and custom configurations. Window frame replacement. South Houston becomes necessary when frames are warped, rotted, cracked, or no longer capable of supporting proper glass performance. Window frame repair and replacement South Houston, Texas is often recommended for homes with chronic draft issues, water damage, or visible deterioration around trim lines and sills. Old homes may show frame wear caused by age, heat, and humidity. A complete residential window replacement South Houston project can address both the glass and structural framing, so the installation performs correctly over the long term. Double pane windows. South Houston TX are a strong choice for homeowners who want improved insulation and sound control in busy residential areas. Double-hung window replacement near South Houston Park is especially popular because it offers classic style, convenient ventilation, and easy cleaning. In locations near South Houston High School, Airport Boulevard, and the Southeast Houston area, upgraded glass packages can help reduce outside noise while improving interior comfort. Double pane window replacement South Houston TX is also commonly paired with low-E coatings and insulated frames for better overall efficiency.